this is Shadow Dragon with Team Shadow Airsoft. This right here is the evike Box of Awesomeness Expert Player Summer Edition. Today we're going to open that with a double-bladed skull knife. We're just going to use one side, obviously. Now, I think there were about 40 boxes in here or so, but all right. Paper for one. I can see something. See, we got a BOA tan patch with the combat decals. And it looks like the playing card's also in here on the back of this. Let's see what we got. There is the BOA. So this is combat decals from evike for your guns, for yourself, guns, lots of guns, red, blue pill, lots of hex stickers. And we got the 5 of clubs, which got stuck inside the bag. Come on. We'll get rid of them, you guys. There we go. The 5 of clubs, the ASG Hair Arm CQR. All right. Let's see. First up, Cybergun Colt. Oh, I just saw the side of it. This is the underbarrel architecture. So, specifically, the long dark earth grenade launcher for Airsoft replicas. Now, Airsoft goes here, or the grenade goes here. Pop it in, and there is a switch right here. So this will just go on the underside of a gun. There's a barrel attachment here. It's actually looks kind of open box, but not bad actually. A little scrapped up. I don't really have any tan guns or green. What was this? Dark earth, but we'll find a use for it. This aside. Narrows down a few of the choices. Let's see, what else? Nope, I already saw what we got. Oh, look what we got here. This is backpack. I did not order this backpack. I don't remember this stuff coming in though. Oh, this is the fishing stuff. So, 2 squids. This is maybe like an armband. Oh, it's a headguard, like a sweatband. Multi-use cloth. So there's that. Battle angler. Sure. Some fishing lures. Hooks. I have not fished. I have not gone fishing in years. That's actually a nice one. $9.99. Jig. It's pretty. All right. Now let's see what this next one is. It's actually nice. This is an EMG F4 Helios. Oh, there's the gun we're gonna put it on. M4 platform, F4. Metal barrel and top receiver. Full metal. Nice size, actually. There we go. Nice rotary hop up. Even comes with a little, I don't have anywhere to put it right now. I don't have a tool on me, but bottom receiver, honestly, to me, too small. It's actually nice. I don't really have a M4 platform of this size, but that is not too shabby. So, the F4 EMG Helios. There you go, F4 Defense, F415 PDW with ARS M-Lock 9-inch handguard in dark earth. Not too shabby. So, there is our gun, the dark earth grenade launcher. I don't think this is going to. We can get this off here. Should just. It's probably. Yep. It's got an Allen key at the bottom. We'll have to replace that. I hate running these orange hiders, but there is our F4. Not bad. An F415. Not too shabby, guys. All right, guys. Shadow Dragon out.